Hey guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical. Right now we're actually pouring, or I guess in wheelbarrows and buckets, we're doing the concrete floor, roof or floor, whatever you want to call it. It's the first story roof, second story floor. We call it a terrace here. So that's basically what it is. Terrace, I guess, in English. So got a special product that we're putting on top that's like a curing sealer. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna use an epoxy to fill the joints where we have to use old concrete with new concrete. There's a lot of challenges going on here. Basically, one of the challenges is, you know, having to do this by hand. We actually were able to rent a mixer, a small one bag mixer. And so that's really helped a lot, but we're still having to haul everything up here in buckets and then really just doing it hard labor. So that does not allow us to do the whole roof section at one time, which is like 1,000 meters squared or 3,000 square feet. The roof section, just the slab itself is gonna be a 3,000 square foot slab. So we're doing it in quarters, all right? So this is 1/4 of the slab right here that we're finishing up today. And then we're gonna do maybe, because we started at 4 o'clock this morning, we'll probably finish around 11 a.m. So we might actually do 2 of the runs next time. But thanks for watching, stay tuned. Definitely check out all this cool footage that we're gonna be throwing in here of the work footage. You've probably already seen some. We might put some more at the end. We have poured the slab, the suspended slab, the terrace, terraza, whatever you want to say, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. The curing sealer that we sprayed on top with pump sprayers at the end really did a great job and helped close the pores on the surface. It looks like it's curing really well. It's been about 7 days, and no, it's been about 5 days, excuse me, and it's just looking great. So we've got this first stretch here of concrete, and pretty cool. We've got a lot more concrete to do. This took about 80 bags of concrete here. So we're gonna have at least, let's say, 4 more. I would say, you know, about 360 bags more just finishing the upper portion of the roof here. We've got about 500 bags of concrete, at least 500 bags, probably 600 bags into what we've got going on here. 4,000 concrete blocks and just a ton of 4,000 cinder blocks, I guess you could say, a ton of metal, a ton of rebar, everything like that, all the way from stainless steel. But take you through really quickly what we've got going on. We've got some water lines for water coming in, water going out. We've got black water or sewage for right there. There's gonna be some block walls where these little posts are right here. They're for concrete block walls, so there's gonna be rooms and stuff here. These little columns are gonna be exterior walls, all right? Exterior columns and exterior walls. The interior walls, I'm gonna do something really cool with. I gotta show you guys this. Right now, there's only stainless steel interfaces there where the interior columns are gonna be. I'm not gonna tell you or show you what we're gonna do with those. You're gonna have to see it in a way future video, because that's gonna be part of the build for the second story, which is gonna be, you know, probably my house one day here above my shop. Right now I'm living in the container. The container's down there. So definitely check out those container videos. There's a whole full separate series on building my tiny home or my container. There's gonna be a porch right here. So this will be a nice little porch area. You can see the suspended stairs will come up right to here, or the cantilever stairs, floating stairs, whatever you want to say. And then you'll be able to just walk right in. There'll be a doorway right there where the camera's at, and then all those stairs going straight down, a single cantilever stairwell, again, porch here. And all of this will be concrete second story. There will eventually be a porch on the other side as well, and just a lot of work to do. But I'm really happy that the second story roof section turned out so well. Questions and comments below. Thanks for watching. Bone out.